If you're wearing something colorful and already matched your eye makeup to it, it's time to think about the lips, isn't it? Why not match them to the main color, like a purple? First, use a lip base, a lip primer. It is really nice to make your lips smooth and make the lipstick glide on better and also be less drying. Next, use a medium dark but vibrant purple color and try to make the border of your lips, the outer border, really smooth with this line. Don't be too concentrated on the inner part because you will still alter it, but you really want to get a smooth line on the outside because this is what will stay in your lip art and your ombre lips look. So don't forget the corners, not just the middle of the lips. Draw that smooth line. Don't be afraid to go over several times if that is needed. And after you've finished the line around your lips, also fill in the corners a little bit more because that's where the darkest part of the ombre will be. Then with the same wand, which already has little product on it, blend the line inwards so that you get kind of a gradient. After that, use a lighter purple lipstick, and with that, fill in the gaps, fill in the empty spaces on the inner part of your lips, leaving a slight space between the two colors because that's where the blend will go. You need to leave some room for it. So after you've filled in the lips, once again the wand has little product left in it and you can start blending the two colors together. This might take a little bit of time, don't worry, don't be afraid to go over several times. Blend the upper lip, blend the lower lip so that you get a really nice transition, a perfect gradient. And after that, after everything is blended, everything is perfect and smooth, you already get a nice ombre lip that you can wear, but you can also add a sheer bullet lipstick on top, like a sheer lavender color or maybe a sheer glitter color. That is to make the lips metallic if you want, or also if you feel like liquid lipsticks are a bit drying, this also helps. For the drying part, you can also just apply the lip balm without glitter. That way the final ombre lips makeup look matches the shirt perfectly. And don't forget to check the playlist with more makeup tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!